Alright everybody, we're back again. Today we're doing a color called Baby Bass. So episode number 6, Baby Bass. Pretty simple. As you can see, I've already heated the plastic. What I'm going to do now is add the salt, which is 4 ounces of plastic, half a teaspoon of salt. And then with our color, we're going to start off, doing the same 20 to 25 drops that we've been doing. We can go darker or lighter from there. Well, not lighter from there. That'll have to be the next one. But we can go darker very easy. Let's see what's happening. Let me mix this up real good, real quick. We'll start adding the color. But this is just a baby bass color from MF Manufacturing. That's where all my colors come from. I'm actually going to throw this in the microwave for another 30 seconds. That didn't get hot enough. Everything's sticking and cooling really easy. Alright. Let me throw this back in, heat it up real quick, get right back to you guys. Alright, we're back. It's out of the microwave. Way better consistency. We're going to go ahead and add the color. Let's start like 15. So this has kind of a glittery effect to it too, kind of like those lumina powders and pearl powders that we're working with. So let's go ahead. I went ahead and added 20, just because. Let's see what it does, and we can either go darker or lighter. Darker from there, can't go lighter. I think for a bass color, this probably should go a little bit, I don't know. Go a little bit darker. Let's add 5 more. Now, if I remember right, this baby bass color that you get from MF is an olive lumina powder with green. I'm pretty sure. And, people just make their own. Don't quote me on that, though, but you're more than willing to try to make your own. I think it would look a lot better, and it would make your shit more custom. So yeah, so that's what we're getting. That's the baby bass green right there, and it does have, it looks to me like an olive. Yeah, it has to have one of those olive powders in there, kind of like the brass, red russet, white pearl, all of those. So now we're into our glitter. We're going to brighten this bad boy up. We're going to add pretty much hollow, small hollow, representation of the belly. We're going to do 1 full scoop. Knock that off there. Then you grab your small black and add half. And that represents the black accents on the bass itself. And you're not going to do as much as you did on the hollow. The hollow just represents, silver and green's a bass. But a little bit of black for the striped spots, whatever you got going on with your bass. Now, it works for baby bass, quote unquote, for largemouth. Smallmouth where I live, they're bronze, brownish. There is no fucking green on them whatsoever. So, depending on where you live. This though, where I live, the smallmouth. Smallmouth and largemouth are both in the rivers. So, as a grub, the smallmouth dude should feed upon these like nothing. I love smallmouth. Pound for pound, they're heavier hitting than largemouth. Of course, I ain't in Texas or California where they have the 20 pounders. So, no wise ass needs to throw that out there because obviously that's not the conditions for every state. Let's go ahead and add a little bit more heat to this. Since we've been doing this, it's cooled down a little bit. Throw you guys back on pause real quick. Be right back. Alright, guys, here we go. We're going to shoot these 3 molds. Show you guys the end results, and then hopefully you go make your own. Really cool color. I mean, I use it quite a bit. It's one of my go-tos other than the smoke colors. Greens and browns. Kill it no matter where you go. White too. White does really good. if y'all are wondering why I did that on the sides, because it congregates everything to, you know, one side of the glass. A lot easier to suck up. And this green is not even close to a watermelon green. A watermelon green is a lot deeper, but it's prettier, I would like to say. Yeah, that can get really hairy when you guys have to start doing that shit right there. If that plastic was to explode out of there like it wanted to, that's how I got a nice little scar down my left forearm. About that far. Middle of the night, it's midnight, it's making plastics. Just starting to learn how. Whole bunch of pressure, couldn't figure it out. I pushed back into one of these, it exploded back out, landed on me. Was not a good situation. Had skin coming off my arms, like I could just pull it, skin come off my arm. Should have went to the hospital. Didn't go to the hospital, but it's fine. Tough it out, walk it off kind of shit. But that was several years ago now. Several years ago. Still, that's like one of the main things that sticks into my head about the safety of this stuff, because it is a chemical, so it's a chemical burn. Get hit with it, you're realistically going to need to go to the doctor. But I want to apologize to you guys. I haven't made any videos in a while. I have a pretty good job that I happened to lose part of a finger at. Got it smashed off. It's pretty painful. So, safety first, guys, on everything you do. But, so we're done. We're done shooting. I'll show you what these look like. Bam. You got your baby bass. I don't know if I can focus on that for you. There we go. And that's what baby bass looks like, guys. Got a light there. It's pretty. So yeah, go out, make some of these, put some stank on them, throw them in a bag, take them out, catch some big ass fish. Love you guys. See you later.